Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a selection using the pen tool. Now, this isn't going to be a full-on depth video about the pen tool. This is just going to be how to make a selection using the pen tool. Similar to how you use the polynomial lasso tool, you have to go around it, and here's the polynomial lasso tool. It's the same, it's like very similar, but the thing with the pen tool is that you can make curves. So it actually makes things easier. That's one of the good things about the pen tool. There's many other good things with it, but as I said, it's not going to be like a full depth on video on how to use it. This is just to show how to make the quick selection. And as you see right here, I'm making curves. But with the polynomial tool, you wouldn't be able to. If you need to, you can zoom into the image that you want to make while using the pen tool. And then you can make like little ones. Straight to the line, you can make it probably farther away. And as I said before, you can make curves with the pen tool. You just gotta hold left click and then you can like drag it. As you see, the path, it moves depending on how you move the mouse. Now then, depending on how much the curve of your image is, you will align it with it. I see mine isn't too much, but very slightly, so I drag slightly. Then I continue doing it until there's no more curves. Oops. As you see, I kind of messed up right there, so I just like Control Z and then just redo it again. If I make like a wrong adjustment with it, just press Control Z and then do it again. The whole thing's connected now. Okay, and then after you have done this, like after you made the image, you went around the image that you wanted to make a selection on, all you gotta do next is press right click on your mouse. Find until you see make selection. It's going to be the fourth one on the top from the top. After you see make selection, then you're going to see this make selection rendering further radius, whatever. You can just press OK, and there you go. That's how you make the pen selection tool. If you don't know, after you make the selection, but you don't know how to, like if you want to transfer it to another image or whatever, like copy and paste it. Oh, as you see right here, there you go. If you want to copy and paste or whatever. I have a video for that. The link for the video will be in the description and everything, so you know how to like uh transfer the image to another document. But other than that, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.